Hey friends, what's up? In this video we're gonna see how to extract audio from a video using VLC in a 1 minute. So I have opened the VLC media player here. Just go to convert save here. Then once the file selection comes, click on the add and you select the file that you want to convert. Here I am selecting this video file. I want to convert into the audio file. Okay, so here just click on this drop down on convert and save. Here you have an option called convert, that is alt plus O is your shortcut key here, and just select here profile and set the profile. You will have many things. By default is this one you will get. And what I'll do here is go to your come to drop down. Here you can see audio and mp3, right? Then you select the destination where you want to save this one, and you just rename this file. Okay, let me give it as convert 1. Okay, and click on OK. Then you click on the start, then it itself will start converting. As you can see in the down, it started converting, and give it just 10 seconds, it will complete by itself. So yeah, it's working now. You can see it might have been completed. Just go to that particular location and see. Now you can see it is the file got saved of 4.77 MB, so it should be completed. Just play once to verify. Okay, now you can see it's been playing properly. So that's how